Yeah, I'm Josh. I'm working on the exoskeleton project. I'm in charge of doing the actual design of the exoskeleton, whereas John's doing the control side of it.
Yeah, I'm John. I'm working on the brain-computer interface for the exoskeleton. So that's a system that can read your brainwaves to help you control the exoskeleton and other vehicles. Different parts of the system so far is the headset, which communicates via Bluetooth with the PC, and then that runs software to communicate externally with this microcontroller, which has this runs all the code to actually control a particular device. There is a wireless link between microcontroller and, in this case, our little robot. So with these things combined, you can control the system using your mind to control where the robot goes.
What I've been working on mainly so far is the physical design of the exoskeleton and researching the actuation that I'll use at the hip and the knee joints. So far I'm designing a model for this year to demonstrate proof of concept, so I'm working on a scale model which will be about that size. I'm hoping to get that 3D printed, and it will just be controlled by simple servos, like this sort of thing, which will just be moving as per this microcontroller. And that will just be a pre-written piece of code which moves the servos to mimic human movement. And I've been working on the physical design. Probably shouldn't show that. This shows just simple model legs moving with the exoskeleton. You can pivot at each joint, and the foot and the hips. And that is just something that will attach to these legs, and these servos will be housed inside these joints here, as you can see there.
Yeah, so one of the biggest challenges we've had is just with time management and trying to keep the project on track and meet our schedule. Basically, we've been meeting with each other and getting together with our mentor, Shane Carley from Calibre. He's been helping us keep on track with the project management side of things. Yeah, just to try and meet our goals in time for the end of the year.
Some of our other challenges has just been, basically these are completely new territories for us, so it's a lot of background work just to get up to scratch with what's going on in these technologies. The remaining work we have left to do this year is I have to get this model printed up, and I need to get it all moving so it's mimicking human gait. That's basically developing proof of concept, and then hopefully we will be able to integrate that with this headset. Though at the moment they're quite separate projects, but as both technologies become better in the future, then hopefully we'll be able to integrate them and individually control each joint of the exoskeleton with the headset. And obviously to someone who can't walk and maybe has limited use of their hands, that could mean the difference between being like housebound or being able to live a normal active lifestyle.